Why is fraud such a hot topic in open banking? In European and UK open banking, payments are processed instantly, and consumers tend to go through a strong customer authentication. This means that the overall susceptibility to fraud is actually quite low. But fraud can creep into the system on both the merchant side and the consumer side. On the merchant side, fraudsters can set up fake businesses, they can be onboarded by open banking providers, and then of course sell to consumers and never deliver the products and services. This is very similar to in the card system, but with open banking the chargeback rules are much less clear. While many providers offer a chargeback-like service, some don't, and in the cases that they don't, consumers may be left out of pocket. Solving this problem means doing better KYB, i.e. understanding the businesses, and also for open banking providers to champion their customers and make sure that any fraudulent merchants are dealt with quickly. Let's look at the consumer side. Now this is a little bit more complicated, and it rests on a difference between initiation and settlement. When a bank API tells a merchant that a payment has been initiated, it's not guaranteed that that payment will settle. While 99.9% will, banks have the ability to block payments because of fraud rules or because of potentially counter-terrorist financing rules. Some banks also still to today have payments processed in batches, and therefore a payment may sit in a pending state before being executed. Consumers may initiate a payment. The merchant will see that payment has been successfully initiated and supply the goods and services. If the bank blocks the payment after that process, then the merchant may not receive the funds. Now clearly, consumers may simply go and pay the merchant again because they would like to do so, but if there's a loophole that can be exploited, particularly with pending payments, then that's a huge risk for merchants. Open banking APIs can solve this in a very simple way, and many banks are looking into providing an execution API notification as well as initiation. So open banking fraud is a really hot topic because it's something new and it's something that needs to be dealt with very quickly. But open banking as a general approach, using faster payments, separate instant credit transfers, has the ability to be an extraordinarily low fraud environment. I hope this was useful. Thank you for listening. My name's Kieran O'Malley.